Manufacturers run critical operations across disconnected systems: ERP, MES, spreadsheets, databases, and planning tools. For planners, that often means constant spreadsheet work to keep data ready for planning. For operations leaders, it means more firefighting and less time improving performance. And for IT, it means one-off integrations and custom scripts that are hard to maintain. Factory Thread gives manufacturers a structured way to connect, prepare, and deliver operational data without replacing the systems they already use. In this example, Factory Thread connects ERP data and planner spreadsheets in one managed platform and prepares that data for downstream systems like planning, execution, and analytics. Factory Thread supports over a dozen connector types: databases like SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and Oracle, file sources like Excel and CSV, streaming platforms, REST, and OData APIs, and direct integrations with MES and ERP systems. Workflows are organized by business purpose. APS integration manages the flows needed for production planning and scheduling systems, such as Siemens Opcenter APS. MES integration manages the flows needed for execution on the shop floor. Analytics manages the flows that support reporting and operational visibility. Here, Factory Thread is preparing a supply feed for Siemens Opcenter APS by combining inventory data with purchase order data from SAP and transforming it into the format the planning system expects. In this step, canceled purchase orders are filtered out before the final supply feed is created. Instead of relying on spreadsheet work or hidden scripts, teams manage these transformations in a structured, traceable platform. The result is more reliable data for planning, less manual effort, and integrations that are easier to manage over time. Factory Thread becomes the operational data layer between manufacturing systems, helping teams connect existing systems faster and operate with less friction. Try Factory Thread free for 30 days, with 1 hour of onboarding included with the trial.